Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to withdraw money on trading 212. But before we start, also use my promo code here if you will make an account on trading 212 to get out to 100 euros in stocks. So just go to manage funds and over here just click on withdraw. And over here just select the amount that you want to withdraw. You can also sell the stocks to get a higher amount and just simply choose the payment method and just click on confirm withdrawal, and that's it. This is how you can easily withdraw your money. You will get it like in 3 working days, I think, so it will be pretty fast. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.